Hello, this is Christopher X from Big Bear Tech World, and today I'm going to show you Spaces in DoorKnockerPal. So let's go to Spaces down here, and then create a space, and then let's name this one Doors in Asheville. Then I'm going to pick the module, which is going to be Doors, and then you can filter by all or any. I'm going to pick filter by all for now. And then you'll see all the doors that I currently have in the team. So I want to knock out this one and this one, but I want to keep the Nashville, Tennessee. So let's go ahead and create a filter. And then I'm going to say filter by Nashville, Nashville, Tennessee. So let's go ahead and you can filter by name, name to, business name, owner phone, owner email, and if they answer the door or not, potential client, door objection, door status, formatted address, created at, and updated at. So let's go ahead and filter by address. And then you can now add is not, starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain, is unknown, and has any value. Today I'm going to go with contains. And then I'm going to type in Nashville, Tennessee. And then let's go ahead and save. You'll see that it knocked out all the other ones that were in there and left just the Nashville, Tennessee one. What if I want to go a step further and bring back the Brentwood TN one? I just create another filter. So filter by Brentwood. I'm gonna filter by address, and then I'm gonna do contains again. Then I'm gonna do Brentwood. I don't have to put the TN on there because I didn't have any other ones that are in other states that are Brentwood. But if you do, you can put the state on the end or whatever's in that address. And then let's save. You can see that, oh no, I don't have any doors in the preview anymore. So what happened here? If you notice in the edit space back then, I said that match all filters. That means that you have Brentwood and you have Nashville, and it's trying to match both those filters together. So that wouldn't work. So if you go down to that match any filters, and then you save, go backwards, and you can see that it brung in Nashville and it brung in Brentwood. So now, if you want to go ahead and go backwards, and if you want to see this in a door, I'll just refresh real quick, and then you will see doors in Nashville. So that filter, that spaces, is now in the doors module, and you'll be able to see it just like any other one down here that is predefined. So what if I want to create another space for seeing all the doors that my team has entered today? So I'm going to do today, or doors today. I'm going to pick the doors module again, and I'm going to do all. As you can see, the preview showing that, but what if I wanted to go ahead and create a filter, and then filter by today? So you're going to go down to created at right here, and you're going to go to daily, and we'll save. It knocked out all the doors because I haven't knocked on any doors today. So let's go ahead and go back. I'm gonna just go create a door real quick today. So there we go. And then I'll just name this one today, and then save. And then now, if I go back to the spaces, and then I go to doors entered today, you will see now that it does have it there, right there. Now what if I want to create another space real quick, just to show you another powerful feature. So let's say updated today, doors, then I'm going to say all, and then it's going to show you all the doors. It's going to even show you the today because you haven't filtered out anything yet. So I'm going to say updated today, then updated at, and then I'm going to say daily. You can also do weekly, monthly, yearly. You can do on, before, after, but I'm going to pick today. And then you can see that it filtered out all the ones that we have updated today. So you can go back and just refresh real quick, and then go into doors, and then you will see doors entered today, and then doors updated today. Now what if I wanted to go into this one real quick? Just click save real quick, and then you will notice that it just added the Brentwood one to the updated today. Well, thank you for watching, and hope everybody has a great day.